take a look at the Issues tab. That's under Work on the left side. Think of issues like tasks in a project management software like Asana or Monday. You can look at all pending organizational tasks here in List View, or with this upper right button, you can toggle from List to Kanban board view. Personally, I like looking at everything as a Kanban. On this Issues tab, you can see all the individual tasks that are queued up in the To-Do column and who they're assigned to, as well as their priority. The CEO is currently working through that first task we gave it, and the CTO has 4 tasks queued up in the To-Do column. As these tasks get worked on, they'll move through to the right and land in the Done column. They may also land in Review if a sub-agent needs to have the agent that it's reporting to review its work first before it can move on. Tasks may also land in the Blocked column if the agent that was assigned the issue or task can't finish the task due to some external blocker, for example, if it doesn't have permission or access to something that it needs. And then any issues or tasks that get canceled will land in this far right Cancel column. Tasks that require your attention may also end up in Blocked, so pay attention to this column as time goes on.